googlemo.com. Opportunities knock. Look at this. So just tell me, what's this all about?
Ben, what do you reckon? What's this all about? Just a toy. We're just going to hit the tracks with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you been stumped yet?
No, it takes a bit of stopping. We've done Roma and 42nd traverse on it. Yeah, haven't really stopped it yet.
What did you say? You've
done Roma and
42nd traverse, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's between Ofango and, for the people that don't know, where is it? It's between Ofango and Ruapehu. It comes out at...
yeah, over the range there.
Yeah, over on the Ruapehu Road, yeah. National Park Road.
Yeah.
So, and how far is that? You know, it's, what is it, 25 miles, 24
Oh,
miles?
it's about 50k.
50k, yeah, 30 miles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's quite a few side tracks off the main track and that.
And how long does that take you to get through there?
Oh, we can spend days in there.
You can spend days in there.
Well, it's just all the side tracks and everything.
Oh yeah, but is it possible to get through there in a four-wheel drive like mine without stopping?
Yeah, you can get through there. Yeah.
And
it's a bit scratchy on a nice truck like that.
Sure.
But overgrown at that.
Yeah. And do many people use it?
Yeah,
Heaps.
Yeah.
Seen any horsemen on there?
No.
No. So you must have missed each other at some stage.
Yeah.
So what's the running gear?
Hilux.
Hilux.
2LT Hilux. Yeah.
2LT Hilux. That's the transfer case and the gearbox and all the running gear. Those diffs don't look like Hilux to me. What are they? Ford Army truck.
1944.
1944.